This is the first release. The attention of Labour Party, our national chairman, National Working Committee, the candidate of Labour Party for November 6th election in Anambra State, Mr. Obiora Agbasumelu, the National Organizing Secretary of our great party, the campaign council, and the campaign organization have been drawn to a publicly written false, tainted, pedestrian, and irrelevant communication in the print and social media caption Anambra 2021. Labour Party moves to adopt PDP candidate dossier dated 20th October 2021, written by one Frank Epefon. Labour Party wishes to react as follows. 1. Labour Party hereby declares the content of the publication as false, misleading, baseless, and a plot by Mendelssohn and Talupas to discredit, desperate, and the market Labour Party. This candidate, Mr. Obiora Agbasumelu, this attempt to derail the focused campaign organization whose work and impact within masses is making the opposition very jittery because of the massive launch of Labour Party in Anambra State has failed woefully. 2. Truth is verifiable. The authentic list of National Working Committee members of Labour Party and with INEC, the name of Labour Party candidate for November 6th governorship election in Anambra State, Mr. Obiora Agbasumelu, is with INEC. Anyone may wish to visit INEC portal of all of political parties and their detail to verify the fact. The age of fraudulent manipulation of records and the list of who is what in any political party is in the past and gone forever. Our candidate, Mr. Obiora Agbasumelu, have not appeared since he was adopted on the 18th of March. Have never appeared anywhere. He was adopted on his way to alongside with one of his security operative attached to him. On his way from Mmewi to Asia in the local government. Since after his adoption, we always speak with him maybe for his adopters to assure us that he's alive. But he has not appeared anywhere and he disappeared again. And we are doing everything possible to ensure his release. The relevant agencies are working, the party is working, the family as well, they are working towards his release. And we believe, maybe I should talk, that he will appear. It was since he started aspiring to be the governor of Anambra State. So his adoption is very, very political. Political stakeholders at times, most of political leaders might know why he was adopted. And I will tell you, because he's very popular. Because Labour Party is very popular in Anambra State. Chances of political party, stakeholders, big the politics at Anambra. Now I want to remove him so that they will clear the air for them, way for them. Yeah.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.